Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all or multiple emails in Gmail at once. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail website, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you're inside Gmail, you'll notice a small checkbox next to each email. You can click on these individually to select specific emails you want to delete. But if you want to select everything on the page at once, look at the top left corner of your inbox. You'll see another checkbox above all the emails. Click on that and instantly all the emails on the screen will turn blue, meaning they're selected. Once the emails are selected, look towards the top menu and you'll see a trash bin icon. Tap on that and all the selected emails will move to the trash. Now sometimes, if your internet is a little slow, not all emails may get deleted at once, so you might need to repeat the process. Next, let's move on to the Promotions folder. This is usually where you'll find emails about offers, discounts, or ads from different companies. Go to the Promotions tab at the top, select the checkbox to highlight all emails on that page, and click the trash bin icon. Just like that, all your promotion emails will be deleted in bulk. Now go over to the Social folder. This is where emails from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn usually land. Again, click the top checkbox to select all, then press the trash bin icon to delete them. If you have a lot of social notifications, this step will really help clean things up quickly. Finally, check the Updates folder. This section normally contains notifications about app updates, newsletters, and general information. Just like before, click the Select All checkbox, press the trash bin icon, and all of those emails will be removed. Once you've finished clearing the main inbox, promotions, social, and updates, your Gmail will be neat and organized with no extra clutter. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments.